Note when installing the side with the font towards the motor, there is a font inside and the screw hole towards the motor. First use a tool like this. Then put it in. A size 22 wrench. Twist it off. Grab it here. Then secure it. Then twist it off. Twist this off. Then there's a washer on top, take it off. Take it off. There's another small washer on top of this. Take it off. Take this off. A small washer. Remove the two thick washers. Then install it. Align these 3 points. Align with the card slot and put it down. Then the small one. There is a wide one here. According to these two small ones. A wide one. Put it down according to the position of the widest one. Then here. Bend down. Align this one and put it down. Okay. Then this. Align this frame and put it down. The thread faces inwards. Tighten it and snap it in. Okay, tighten it.